nigga.
If I pull this Mario Williams, right? Am I like that? Or am I like that? What would you do if I pull it?
Dap you up, give you a lap dance, maybe a smooch.
Smooch? On the lips or on the cheek?
On the cheek. Come on.
I mean, I want to see, like...
I'm already giving you a lot.
Alright, you are giving me a lot. Alright, let me open these up real quick.
Bro, you can be greedy, bro.
My bad, bro. I got an 88 Ty Law, though.
I already got him. He's worth nothing.
Worth nothing?
Well, your PS5 market might be different, but...
95 Strahan, bro. Strahan was Michael Sam for like a while. I ain't gonna lie. I really...
No, you did.
When
no, you did. No, you did.
I swear to... No,
you
I swear to God. It was like during Kids' Choice Awards when he was hosting it. I thought he was Michael Sam. Not, not to me.
You saw it.
It's correct. What is this one?
Oh, I'm in the wrong coverage.
Jerome Bettis.
That's a touchdown. All he had to do was throw it.
Deacon Jones. And I think I get one more legend, right? Yeah, it's my last one. And I get 88 Kurt Warner.
Huh?
Fun fact about Kurt Warner.
Kurt Warner got a legend card?
Yeah. Kurt Warner is the one that just came out today. He's the other set card that dropped in.
Gotta be ass, right?
Nah, I heard he was pretty good. I don't know what his release is, but if you want, a pocket, quarterback, he's your guy. I just don't know what his release is.
I know.
First legend.
What you mean just woke back up?
Jesus Christ, these are bad. I get another 88 Kurt Warner. Fun fact.
That did happen.
And I forgot Dante Hall got a car. That's not realistic.
Factor, bro, you hate it.
I don't like that dude, bro. I promise you.
He's the reason why we have X Factors in the game.
Well, you could eat. My bad. I didn't mean to say that.
Crazy.
I wouldn't say it to his face though. Imagine me saying that to his face. I get Jim Taylor.
I mean, he's 5'9". You could probably handle him.
He is 5'9". I always get Jim Taylor, bro. Always. That's my
So I ain't secure catch it?
Bro, I'm getting all these legends, bro. It's kind of fucking with me. One more. I'm thinking I really got a chance to pull it.
45. Alright.
'87 Jeff Saturday. And I think this is the last legend I get. 89 Randall. Oh, this is the full one. So is it the full one? I don't think so. It's not. Yeah, it's not the full one. 91 pluses. I got an 87 plus. I'm gonna load on my 87 plus first. And I get...
How much is that shit? $100?
Yeah, it is. Do I get my money's worth? No, because I just get an 87 bare minimum.
Oh, that bitch away. Oh, that bitch away.
I told you, I just get the bare minimum of... The bare minimum.
Yeah.
You gotta just be shitting me. Oh, God, this is... This is bad. Alright.